Hello everyone. Getting a motorcycle license in Japan can be a bit complicated. Don't worry, in this video I'll guide you through the process of getting your motorcycle license. So in Japan, motorcycle licenses are divided by engine size, right? So there are like licenses for bikes under 50cc, 250cc and 400cc, etc. and so on. So the most coveted license is for bikes over 750cc. But the process can be quite challenging. And unlike some countries, the motorcycle road test in Japan is notorious for its difficulty. You will have to ride through a tough obstacle course, which is one of the main reasons people struggle to pass. So don't worry, there is a quick hack I'm going to show you. And this is what most of us call the international loophole, license loophole. So if you already have an international license, like if you can get a license from the USA, which is really easier, much easier than Japan, you can bypass the engine limit size. This means you can legally ride any bike, any size bike in Japan without taking their tough road test. So you don't have to go over this. So there are some documents you'll need to show. Like even if you're not from Japan, you can still ride a motorcycle. You'll need a few documents like a valid international driving permit, your passport, an original driver's license, and make sure your IDP is issued based on the 1949 Geneva Convention. Then, if you want to go the official route, you'll need to like pass a written test and practical riding test. It's also common for foreign riders to take a 3-day safety course before they can apply for a license. And that's the quick diet round done. And honestly, I'd suggest you take a international motorcycle license or driving license and then go to Japan for your to ride any motorcycle on the Japan mountains or anywhere on Japan. And that's it. And I'll see you in the next video.